Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 3 of this. I was just playing around and I started thinking I made part 2 with a 0. But if you wanted to, and I added something to the inside, and I was just playing around with it and I wasn't going to make a video, then I thought there's a pretty neat, so the reason I'm making the video is I'm going to show you how to get rid of some lines. So I'm just making some curved lines. I'm not trying to be artistic. Because I have no artistic ability. But we're just going to kind of give us some curved lines. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take all these lines, and I've just selected the red lines because I didn't engulf the circle. And I'm going to change those lines to like 1/4 inch. They're still selected. I'm going to go to object and convert them to a object. I'm going to left click, right click. And now what I want to do is make a copy of this first and move it over. I meant to move it over that way. Now I'm going to weld this. And the reason I decided to make the video, I don't like the way those interior ones got, so I could fix that. But what you could also do is take the Smart Fill tool, set on any color, nudge it over, and go right here and select and go back minus front. And they got rid of those inside lines. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish the project. Control D to duplicate it. Take the center rotation and move it to there. Now this might look really kind of not very cool or artistic, but you get some ideas because I started thinking everything I did earlier, I made it to the inside. Now we're going to rotate it 30 degrees. See there. Well, even that might even work because our tentacles are touching. We'll just see if this works. Control D and make another duplicate and rotate it 60 degrees. Control D all the way around. Don't ever go too far though. Don't go the extra mile and put one on top because then the weld tool will not work. Now we're going to take this and select them all and weld them. You see it did encompass the two tentacles, I'm going to call them, that were coming in, and we're going to use let's use a green this time. And that is I don't know that you'd ever use anything like that or build anything like that, but it kind of gives you an idea. And I kind of like the way the tentacles are touching in the middle. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.